Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the one and only place where you can learn Chinese in a fun and efficient way. For today's video, I prepared top 5 Chinese TV series for intermediate learners. Congratulations for passing to intermediate level. Now, I will still do another video for advanced beginners, so make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell. Now let's jump into the video. Let's go. Okay, so for this level, I will recommend sitcoms and modern TV series because the phrase, the vocabulary they use in this genre are very practical, are very modern and simple, and also the conversation happens mostly in daily life, so it will be the best practice material for intermediate level. Now, the first recommendation I have for you is called 欢乐颂. 欢乐颂. This one is about 4 young women in Shanghai. It's kind of like Sex and the City. So you can imagine the conversation is very, very daily. The plot is very interesting because there are a lot of drama about romance, about friendship, and so on. So this one will give you entertainment and also you're gonna have a lot of knowledge from it. Okay, so I will just put some clips here so you can check it out.
我最近老感觉我吃不饱，每天都累死了。我也觉得我瘦了。你说我要不要回老家呀？待在上海还有没有前途啊？你说我这1年不吃不喝的拼命工作，才能买2平米的房，而且都是偏僻的地方。可是我要是回老家考个公务员，我就活得不用那么斤斤计较了。要不你考考试试？Okay,
so the second recommendation I have for you is called 爱情公寓. 爱情公寓. This one is really controversial because behind it they do have a lot of argument. The director of this show did copy a lot of Western TV shows like Big Bang Theory, How I Met Your Mom, Friends, IT Crowd, and so on. Basically, they copied all these famous sitcoms. But from a Chinese learning perspective, it is a great TV show because the topics are so interesting. The plot are, well, easy to understand since most of us already watched Friends, Big Bang Theory, and so on. And also the vocabulary, the phrase are just so useful in our daily life. So this is actually a great learning material. So if you don't really mind the copyright thing, it is a good learning material. And the story of 爱情公寓 is basically about 6 young people who lives in one building. Yes, I know that sounds exactly like Friends. So you can kind of imagine what sort of plot you will expect in this series. Anyway, this is a good learning material. Okay, so the next recommendation I have for you is another sitcom. It's called 家有儿女. 家有儿女. This one is very, very good, but it's a little bit old. It's about one family have 3 children and the story around them. Now when I think of this, kind of reminds me of Modern Family. But I guarantee you that this one didn't copy anything. This one is 100% Chinese life, Chinese family life. So it is very daily, it is very easy, very interesting topic, just a little bit old. So you have to bear in mind that we don't wear clothes like that anymore. China doesn't look like that anymore. It's, yeah, it's not quite modern, but it's a good listening and learning material.
哎呀，我是让你人王要，谁让你看我了？我是让你看这个正不正？不是你挡着呢，我哪看得见呀？哎呀，快点，我胳膊都酸了，就差1点了，谁让你不长个儿？这不还没过年吗？哎呦，看着点吧，都折了。
哎，怎么回事啊？这我都出门1个钟头了，这点活还没干完呢，怎么这么慢呢？
都怪流星瞎指挥。
瞎指挥！这帮我接点东西，我买了好多好吃的。
Okay, so the next recommendation I have for you is actually my favorite. It's called 最好的我们. 最好的我们. It's so beautiful. This one is basically a high school love romance story. But you have to bear in mind because the Chinese high school life is totally different from Western high school life, because in China you are forbidden to have any sort of romance relationship in high school. So that is so forbidden that if the principal found out you having a relationship or some sort, you are going to get banished from the school. So it's a huge deal. So the whole story is just so pure. It's full of this young, fresh love, but it's very, very beautiful. It will warm your heart. And again, you can imagine how simple their conversation will be. It is very basic, very daily. It's just about a teenager boy and a teenager girl. It's always beautiful. Unfortunately, you can't really find it on YouTube, but I will try my best to find a link and put it down below. But that also means that there will not be English subtitles. So this one may be a little challenge for some of you. Okay, so my last recommendation for our intermediate learner is 爸爸去哪儿?爸爸去哪儿? So this one is actually a reality show. At this point, I normally don't really recommend other reality show because in the reality show, you don't have a structure and people tend to not follow the grammar and it will be quite difficult at this point. However, because this one involves children, so the conversation become a lot easier and a lot structured. So basically, 爸爸去哪儿 is about this father, famous father normally. We have famous actors, we have famous sport players. They bring their kids on an adventure. And on this adventure, they will have to do many little tasks. For example, they have to find a house, they have to go fishing, they have to work together as a team, and so on. So you can see the activities that they do, the conversations that they have is relatively easy. So this one is a great material for learning Chinese at your level. Alright, so that's my top 5 TV series for our intermediate level learner. Now again, I will link everything that I can find into the description below so that you can just go to my description and click on the link. It will take you to the channel. There is another little trick for you if the video is too fast for you. On YouTube, you can go to the setting, make the speed a little bit slower, go to 7.5 or 5, so it will help you a lot. Yes, that's it. That's everything for today. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and also if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. It really helps me. And also comment down below what other genre, what other suggestions that you have, what other video that you want to make on this topic. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.